Want to make a delicious one pot meal? Stick around. Chicken bacon ranch pasta. Start off with 3 cups of chicken broth, 3 tablespoons of ranch seasoning. Whisk that together well. Then we're going to add in 8 ounces of softened cream cheese cut into cubes. As you are bringing this up to a nice high heat, medium to high, start breaking up those cubes of cream cheese. We just want to make sure it melts. Add in 2 cups of shredded cooked chicken, 2 cups of uncooked rotini pasta, and 1 cup of cheddar cheese shredded. Mix it all together, bring it to a boil, cover it up. About midway, you want to take the cover off, give it a stir so that nothing is sticking. And here we go. After 16 to 18 minutes, it is cooked beautifully. The pasta is perfect. Now I'm going to add on the rest of my shredded cheese, a half a cup. I've added in about 8, actually I did the whole pack of bacon, but do at least 8 pieces of bacon. Cook it, chop it, sprinkle it on the top, cover it up, just give that cheese a chance to melt, and you are ready to serve dinner. This is absolutely delicious. Everybody is going to love it. I have 4 boys. As you can imagine, it was a big hit in my house. Delicious. I highly recommend it. I love the ease. Let me know what you think if you try it. Give me all the likes, love, comments, whatever you can. Thanks, everyone.